So this is gonna make you laugh. As I was filming another video of the fire, and there's all the little popping sounds and everything, and I'm trying to be really quiet so that as I was doing the recording that it wouldn't pick up any, other sounds. What's funny was that my joints would pop, and I was like, oh, I don't even have to edit that out. I'm recording video of the fire for a long form video, so be on the lookout for that. And as always, God loves you, I love you, God bless, and have a great day. If you want to grow deeper in your faith and love photography and remodeling videos, please subscribe and like for more.